How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Raptor TIR versus our multicolor linear models here. So on the bottom here, I brought our Raptor TIR model in a blue color setup. Now we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating color options. And I have mode 1 activated here in a half-half flash pattern. And then in mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed, so you have 2 flash pattern memories. And then compared to our Raptor X, you have your 2 standard white takedowns here, which can be activated while your bar is flashing, or you can activate your takedowns independently as well. Or when those modules are off, those will flash with your light bar. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where those can flash the color of your light bar, and then they'll activate clear when you activate your takedown button on your switch box if you would like that functionality. And then on here you have your aux button where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your grand control box. And then you have night mode here to activate your red backlight LEDs. And then here you have your pattern button where you'll have 30 flash patterns to choose from on our Raptor TIR model. Now let's go over our multicolor linear. So here I brought our multicolor linear Raptor model in a red clear color setup. Now you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between your primary and secondary colors. And for example, here is red clear. But we do offer our multicolor linear series in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options. And then here in mode 1, I have a 2-2 alternating style flash pattern programmed. And then in mode 2, I have one of our new combo style flash patterns programmed. And on our multicolor linear model, you will have 40 flash patterns to choose from. And then past your pattern sequence, you also have the ability to run your light bar in your primary or secondary colors independently as well. Now past our combo patrol pattern, you'll have your combo rapid pattern, and that will be the last pattern in the multicolor sequence. Now past that, you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color and 4 patterns in your secondary. So I'll hit my pattern button here, and I'll have pattern 1 in red, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then in your modes, you also have your memory. So you can go back to mode 1 if you'd like to run multicolor, and then you can program your primary or secondary color in mode 2, or you can run your primary color in mode 1, and then your secondary color in mode 2 if you would like to with the multicolor capability. So past here, past the red patterns, I'll have 4 patterns in clear since this is the secondary color of this unit. So I'll have pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then past that, I'll be back into my multicolor pattern sequence. So with the dual memory plus your multicolor, you do have that capability on our Raptor multicolor linear visor bar here. And then additionally, you'll have your 2 TIR takedowns here, which are your 2 takedown modules, which again can be activated independently, or they can be activated while your light bar is flashing. And then when you deactivate that button, those modules will flash with your light bar. And we do offer a multicolor linear upgrade here as well for your takedowns. And you have your aux button and your night mode here to activate your red backlight LEDs. And your night mode can be activated by button, or you can hardwire the white cable coming out of your cable harness here if you would like to hardwire that function. So that gives you a brief overview of our Raptor TIR versus multicolor linear. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.